Hello friends, US crude trading below the resistance at 98 and similarly NG trading below the $8 levels but failing to go past the support at 96, that is US crude, and still NG is trading below 7.8 levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. And on the hourly chart it appears bearish. Yes, the support there, resistance there at 97.5, 97.8 at 98.2 only for the day. If you see it trading beyond 98.2, we can consider that as a bullish reversal, else it may try to drop. Directional movement extremely bearish. The stochastic is at bottom, the MACD is bearish. The RSI is looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. Yes, similar is the formation, similar are the resistance levels, similar is the support levels. The directional movement on the verge of a crossover. Stochastic is hitting a bottom. The MACD has already crossed over. It is just 2 candles apart only, indicative of little bearishness. In fact, if it rises, in fact it recedes on the upside, we can see it falling again. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation. Be watchful of the support zone there at 96 and 95.8 levels only. If it fails, if it falls below 95.8, you can expect that it is going to hit 95.2, and then below that there is going to be a good fall till towards 94, and you can remain bearish on the same. See, on the 3-hour charts we have seen it giving higher highs, we can see it giving higher lows, indicating that it is still trying to maintain the bullishness there. The directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has just crossed over on the 3-hour charts, 2 candles apart it is. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking oversold right now, or looking downwards right now. Look at the 4-hour charts, classical formation, 3 smaller candles, and the next candle, if it drops below this zone at 96, then definitely this may try to go big, and similar size of candle can be expected, what we had seen from 101 to 98. So from here 96 to 94 levels can be expected. Similar size of candle can be seen, can be expected if it continues to trade below 97.5. So till the time today you see it trading below 97.5, do not go long for clear, and till the time it trades below 97.5, we can expect it to drop for 95.8, and below that you can see a fall. But above 97.5 you have to go long for 97.8 and 98.2. If it trades above 98.2, stay long, and then it is going to rise higher. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is on the verge. It has already crossed over. This is the first red candle. It is in formation, and probably it can continue with this bearishness. RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Previous few candles we have seen higher highs. Now also it is trying to trade on higher lows. As I said, be watchful of 95.8. If it breaks below 95.8, you can expect a further bearish move, which might take it till towards 95 and 94 levels. 94 is a very strong support. Below 94 you can expect it to considerably drop, as it is going to break out from this channel. So yes, be watchful of this. If it breaks out of this channel, we can expect it to drop considerably. Then 94 and 92 levels can be expected. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is white divergent bullish. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, go short at 95.8 and go long at 97.5. In between these $1.7, do not trade, do not take a position. And also on the upside, be watchful of 90. If you go long at 97.5, there is a resistance at 97.8 and then 98.2. If it trades above 98.2, go long above 98.2, we can expect it to hit 99 and then 100 and 101 levels. So trade accordingly. Above 98.2 it should be considered as a reversal. On the downside, below 95.8 should be considered as a bearish drop. Then 95.2, 94, and then below that you can expect 92 levels again. So trade accordingly. It can give you a classical fall, and trade with caution, trade with the stop loss there. So in between 90, till the time it trades below 97.5, rather one can remain short. That is my expectation. But be watchful, as we have seen multiple red candles on the hourly chart. It can retrace a bit on the upside. Hence, till the time if you see it trading beyond, in between 97.5 and 98.2, do not trade. But when you see it at 97.5, you can possibly take a short entry and expect it to drop towards 95.8. Below that it can crash. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. NG has given a gap down here, and after this gap down it is almost achieved 7.8, which is a strong support level, and also it traded outside the Bollinger Bands, fallen back within these levels. Now if you see it trading beyond 8. here at $8. Yes, if you see it trading beyond $8 levels, then it may try to fill the gap at 8.1, 8.2 levels, and beyond that definitely it can rise high. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is at bottom looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI is near to bottom, indicating little more bearishness. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, after uh, retracing a bit on the upside, it is trying to look forward to a drop, but remember it is trading near to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. The highs of this channel are at around 7.98, 7.8 levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 7.9, go short for 7.85, and then below that 7.8 levels, which is a very strong support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over and it is bearish. RSI is near to bottom, indicating more bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it is looking forward to a rise. That is what it appears as it tries to trade green, as it tries to keep itself green. So only short entry is below 7.9, and then you can expect 7.85 and 7.8 levels to provide a support. Below 7.8 it is going to crash, and till the time it trades above 7.91, you can remain long for 7.9698 levels, and possibility exists that it may break $8 levels and trade bullish towards 8.1. So this is what we can see. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI is near to bottom there, near to oversold levels. On the 4-hour charts, it appears it is trying to trade sideways a bit, but it is trading with a little bullish bias right now. And as I said, till the time it trades above 7.91, you can stay long for 7.95, 10 rather $8, and then 8.1 can also be seen, and in fact it will try to bridge the gap. On the downside, be watchful of 7.9. Below 7.9 you can remain short. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards on the 4-hour chart. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is trading flat. Similarly, on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, it is trying to reverse a bit. May fill this gap at $8 levels and then again drop from there. There is a high possibility for it. On the downside, remember 7.8 and then 7.7. These two levels you have to watch out for. If it breaks below 7.7, yes, it is going to break for 7.4 levels, so you have to take your positions accordingly. At the same time, it may fill the gap. It may fill the gap here till $8 levels, achieve further high and then reverse from there. So you can take bearish and you can expect it to drop further. Directional movement is bearish. It is bullish. It is trying to converge though. Stochastic is at oversold. The MACD is looking forward to a crossover. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, yes, you can go short below 7.9 and you can go long at 7.93, rather I will say. Beyond 7.93 you can stay long for 7.95, 7.98, $8, and then 8.1 should come into picture. On the downside, below 7.9 you can go short for 7.85, 7.8. Remember, 7.8 is a very strong support. Below that you can stay short for 7.4 and further downside. 7.4 is going to be the next stronger support level. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details on both. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. Be a part of it, only few seats left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.